and above all, my very dear customers of IOB. I was indeed, touched to see my customer also from Numambakam branch here. I think I haven't met him for a long time now. So it's a pleasure that I could come over here and meet some of the familiar faces also. IOB, as you know, is a very customer-centric bank. We keep on innovating so that we can become closer and closer to the customers. We keep on innovating, trying to find out what are the needs of the customer, how best we can serve them, what types of schemes we can introduce to them, how with the least difficulty the managers and the officers of the bank can approach the customer and deliver whatever their needs are. So this has been going on for a long time, and we innovate certain campaigns during specific periods so that we can tap the market in the best possible way. We have been harping on retail lending for the past 2 years. Last year we said it would be concentration on retail, and this year we said it should be rapid retail. So we have been concentrating on housing loans, vehicle loans, and other personal loans, all as a part of reviving the economy. This has been a social commitment of the bank that we too should help to revive the economy, which is in a depressed condition. So that is why we said we have to promote the demand for goods. So unless we start with loans for consumer durables or housing requirements or vehicle loans, such things will promote the demand in the economy. It will promote employment opportunities. It will sort of invigorate the businessmen to enter into new ventures and take up new ideas for production in the economy and improve the growth in the economy. So as a part of our social commitment also, IOB has been doing extremely well. If you see during this year, our growth in the housing loan sector has touched 22%. Our growth in the vehicle loan, the Pushpaga loan, etc. has touched 32%. So we have brought in certain very innovative schemes where we are able to help the builders, we are able to help the vehicle dealers, give them certain incentives so that they will also be able to improve their business and at the same time help us to improve our business also. I'm extremely pleased that almost 32 crores of loans we are going to distribute during this day, and a large number of customers are getting benefited by it. We have been organizing a number of housing expo fair. We had one at Egmore. We had conducted one at the beginning of the second half year, and we had very good response. We had almost 2,600 registrations with 7,000 footfalls, and we had distributed around 250 loans there to the tune of almost 100 crores. So that is getting around 50% of it has been converted into business also. We have been holding these expos at Bangalore, at Coimbatore, at Hyderabad, at Mumbai, all these places only with the intention of giving more force and more focus to our retail lending. So what I would like to say on this opportunity is that each one of you should convey this message to your friends and relatives so that you can bring more and more customers into our fold. You have enjoyed the benefit of what IOB is offering. This should reach, there should be far-reaching effects. This should reach other customers also. So if each one of you can take it upon yourself to introduce a minimum of at least 5 customers to us, that will benefit the banker, that will benefit your friend or relative also. And we will have a wider customer base. So my request would be, after you have experienced the relationship with IOB, you should be able to recommend us to your friends and relatives so that we are able to widen our customer base. We look forward to that kind of encouragement from you. I know all of you have been supporting IOB. Otherwise, we wouldn't have grown to this level. See, from 2010, when we were ranging around 1,90,000 crores of business, we are almost touching 4 lakh crores of business now. This stupendous growth of almost doubling our business in 3 years' time was purely because of the support that we have from our customers. This is not done by the IOBNs alone. It is done by you. You have given us the opportunity to serve you, and we have been able to satisfy your requirements, maybe not up to the mark, but maybe at least 80% of your requirements we were able to satisfy, and that's why you have given us this opportunity of registering so much of growth in the banking system, coming up from the 14th position to the 7th position in the banking industry. So we look forward to more cooperation from you, and let me tell you, I can assure you that with the new schemes coming up, with the innovative actions that we are taking, we will at all times try to satisfy your requirements, try to find out what exactly you want and how best we can serve you, and we will look forward to more and more of cooperation and understanding with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.